Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video for my junior students, my class 6 students. You have been watching the series of videos on class 6 syllabus and these videos are proving to be very useful for all the students who are preparing for quantitative aptitude exams right from the basic level. So we have the 19th lecture in this series of videos, and this lecture is based on triangles and quadrilaterals. The detailed PDF, that is the practice worksheet based on this lecture, you can download it. I have given the link below in the description. Just click the link. It will take you to an external site from where you can download that practice worksheet based on triangles and quadrilaterals. So this is lecture number 19 of this series of videos for class 6 students. Let me tell you the best offers which are going on right now. Summer vacation is coming up and you need to upskill yourself in some hobby course. Go for this ebook of short tricks. This is for life. You can practice around 350 short tricks of mathematics, and calculate 10 times faster. The reasoning course, it's already creating waves. And then CBSE worksheets, these are exclusive collection of questions not found anywhere on the internet or in the print form. WhatsApp 9896369963 if you want to get a copy of all those amazing PDFs, or you can pay a visit to www.sureshagarwal.in. That's my name in the website, sureshagarwal.in. And for obviously, I told you that to download 60 question practice PDF based on this concept of triangles and quadrilaterals, click the link in the description box below. Let's see the questions in hand. Name the type of triangle if its sides, so this is if, already a small minor mistake there, if its sides measure 7.2 centimeter, 8.7 centimeter and 9.5 centimeter. Look at the measurements. All the three measurements which are given there are different, and when all the three measurements, that is all the three sides of a triangle, are of different length, then it is a scalene triangle. So scalene triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are of different measure. And that's what the first question asks you to do. Name the triangle. The second one indeed is different. 4.3 centimeters, 7 centimeters and 4.3 centimeters. Can you see two of the sides are equal? And whenever two sides of a triangle are equal, then it is known as an isosceles triangle. And isosceles triangle has the property that its two sides are equal and therefore its two angles are also equal. In a scalene triangle, all the three angles are also different. Let's see the next concept. We have a figure here and we need to name this type of triangle in two different ways. Now look at the, you can actually name them, the triangles, based on, two different criteria. One, the length of its sides, and the second, the measure of its angles. So based on the sides, you can see the side 6.2 centimeter, the side 4.5 centimeter, and the side 6.2 centimeter. Can you see two sides are of the same length? And just now I told you that whenever two sides are equal, it is known as an isosceles triangle. So that's the first name which you can give to this triangle. But what about the criteria of angles? All the three angles here are acute, less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree. And when all the three angles of a triangle are less than 90 degree, what do you name the triangle as? You name the triangle as an acute angled triangle. And that's the two ways in which you can name this triangle: the isosceles triangle based on the length of the sides, and the acute angle triangle based on the measure of its angles. Let's see some more questions. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD having all four angles as acute. That sounds crazy to me. You know why? Because whenever you have a quadrilateral, a random quadrilateral, all the four angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degree. Whatever is the type of quadrilateral, all four angles, they add up to 360 degree. So the first question is asking us to draw a quadrilateral ABCD having all four angles as acute. So if you name angle A, B, C, D like this, the four angles, and if angle A is also less than 90, angle B is also less than 90, angle C is also less than 90, acute, right? And angle D is also less than 90. If you add them, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will obviously be less than 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, that is 360 degree. And in that case, if the sum of the angles is less than 360 degree, it is not going to form a quadrilateral. So what is the answer for the first question mentioned here? The quadrilateral cannot be drawn. How about the second one? PQRS having one obtuse angle. One obtuse angle, right? Can we draw such a quadrilateral? One obtuse angle. That means one angle which is more than 90 degree. Of course, yes, we can draw such a quadrilateral. Just look at this. This is an obtuse angle. And after this, you have one angle, two angle, and three angle. This angle, and this angle. Although this angle is looking like obtuse, but see, I'm drawing it as a rough figure, right? So if you open the first angle little more like this, you can actually draw the angles as acute angle. So you can have three acute angles. I'll give you an example in terms of the measures. Suppose the three angles are 89, 89, and 89. 89, 89, and 89, they add up to 240 plus 27, 267. What about the fourth angle? 360 minus 267, right? And that's 93. So the fourth angle can be 93. That will give you a sum of 360 degree. And that's what I meant by drawing this figure. So one of the angles can be 93 and the others can be like 89, 89, and 89. And therefore, one angle is obtuse and the rest of them can be acute. You also can have two obtuse angles and you also can have three obtuse angles, but not four obtuse angles, because in that case, the sum of the four angles will be above 360 degrees. So friends, those are some basic concepts about triangles and quadrilaterals. I'm sure a very useful video for all the class 6 students. So you need to share it with all the students who are studying in class 6 and obviously preparing for competitions. Then subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications of future uploads, and so that you don't miss out on anything. And thanks for watching this, and all the best for whatever exams you are preparing for.